ethical hacking latest terminologies. Now in this video we are going to take a look at ethical hacking terminologies and the explanation regarding them. So let's start with the basic terminology in ethical hacking. So these are the terminologies available inside ethical hacking which generally use vulnerability, exploit, payload, white hat hacker, black hat hacker, grey hat hacker, script kiddie and penetration. So we will talk about one by one. So let's start with vulnerability. So what is vulnerability? So vulnerability is also called weakness or loophole of a system. Weakness means if there is any weakness inside your web application, that is called vulnerability. If there is any weakness inside your network is not secure, so that is also a vulnerability. Or you can also say it is a loophole of your system. That is called vulnerability. Exploit. What is exploit? A code or a method to perform pen testing. So exploit is a kind of code, or you can say a method to perform attack on a system. Without exploit, you cannot perform pen testing. Payload. What is payload? Payload is a part of exploit which performs malicious actions. So payload is also inside exploit, but the part of exploit which performs malicious action is particularly called payload. So payload is a part of exploit. White hat hacker. So white hat hacker is a kind of hacker who only work in legal way. Black hat hacker always works in illegal way. Grey hat hacker can work in both areas, can work as a legal as well as illegal. So that's why he's called grey hat hacker. So script kiddie is an unskilled hacker. He has no knowledge about programming languages or exploits, etc. He can only work on tools created by the attackers or hackers. So he can only use the software's tools. So that's why he's called script kiddie, because he has no knowledge about ethical hacking or programming languages. Penetration. Penetration means when you have vulnerability, when you have exploit, then you can use this vulnerability and exploit to penetrate in a system. Penetrate means intrusion in a system. Intrusion means just entering in a system and you are an unauthorized person. So that is called penetration in a system. So these are some basic terminologies available in ethical hacking that we will use again and again in the later sections. If we talk about the section summaries, and in this section we have learned about, first of all, course overview, that what you are going to learn in this course and some guidance. Then I have provided you a teaser. Then in this video we have learned about basic terminologies of ethical hacking. This is all about this section, and in the next section we will start network pen testing lab setup and overview. So thank you.